If there's one truth in drain cleaning, it's that you never know what's waiting for you. I need a tool that handles it all. My K46 gives me a leg up on tough blockages without being hard on my body, whether I'm working in tight spaces or dark corners. It makes it easier to say, you're all set. The K46 is lightweight and easy to maneuver, but still packs a punch. Over and over again, I get the freedom to go everywhere with the tool I need to get the job done right. You're going to want one on your truck.